Hello everyone, welcome back to Usermaven. Today we're taking a look at paid ads attribution, a powerful way to understand how your ad spend across platforms actually turns into conversions and revenue. Let's jump in and see how it works. Before analyzing paid ads, make sure your ad accounts are connected. In your workspace settings, go to Integrations. Here, you'll see supported ad platforms like Google Ads, Meta Ads, and others. Once connected, Usermaven automatically syncs spend, impressions, and clicks. Now, head to the Paid Ads Attribution dashboard. From the left sidebar, click Attribution, then select Paid Ads. First, select the conversion goal you want to analyze. For this walkthrough, we'll choose Demo Booked. This ensures all attribution calculations are based on demo bookings only. Next, choose how conversions should be counted. You can select Unique Conversions, each user is counted once, or Total Conversions, repeat conversions are included. Choose the option that best reflects how your business measures success. Now let's choose an attribution model. Usermaven offers 7 attribution models, including First Touch, Last Touch, Linear, U-shaped, Time Decay, and Non-Direct variations. You can either select one attribution model or analyze performance using multiple attribution models side by side. This helps you understand how credit shifts across channels depending on the model you choose. Now, let's configure attribution mode. First, let's set the conversion period. This controls when conversions happened. You'll pick a date range here, and only conversions that occur inside this window will be included in the attribution. Next is the Look Back window. This tells Usermaven how far back we should look at ad interactions before a conversion happens. So any clicks or touch points inside this window will receive attribution credit. Now, if you switch to Buy Spend Date, the first thing you'll choose is the spend period. This defines when the ad budget was actually spent, and Usermaven will track all clicks from this time frame. And finally, the Look Ahead window. This tells Usermaven how long to wait for conversions after someone clicks an ad. So if a user clicks today and converts within this window, that conversion will still be attributed back to this spend. Next, explore different breakdown levels. You can switch between sources, campaigns, ad sets, ads. Start broad with sources, then drill down to identify exactly which campaigns and creatives are driving conversions. Now let's scroll down to the table to look at the detailed metrics. You'll see ad network stats, things like spend, impressions, clicks, and CTR, coming directly from your ad platforms. If you scroll horizontally, you'll notice the Influence Conversions column first. This shows how many conversions each source or campaign influenced, regardless of where the final credit landed. You will see business outcomes, like visitors, conversions, and the monetary value, so you can connect ad spend with real results. And right after that, you'll see separate columns for each attribution model you selected, making it easy to compare how credit shifts between models side by side. And if you want to take this data outside Usermaven, you can export the entire table as a CSV for reporting or deeper analysis. Let's look at reports. Click Schedule Report to create automated paid ads reports. Name your report. Choose the report type. Select conversion goals, apply filters and attribution models. Set a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule. Deliver reports via email or Slack. Are you short on time? Usermaven's AI-powered insights automatically analyze your paid ads data. This helps you move from data to decisions fast. And that's paid ads attribution in Usermaven. From connecting ad accounts to AI-powered insights and automated reporting. Log in today and start optimizing with confidence.